Everything that I've been building finally is coming together now. I've been building this kitchen piece by piece, and it's finally the big moment. I installed cement boards, I ended up building my cabinets, and now we need a kitchen countertop. Yes, there's a lot of extra things as well. We need to make sure that the plumbing is perfect. And not only is my countertop getting installed, my sink is getting installed, as well as my faucet. This is going to be a very exciting episode, and we have a ton of prep work to get ready. Tomorrow is the delivery day, so let's get into what we're doing right now. Let's talk about the mystery pipe real quick. If you missed the episode, there's a pipe. We don't know where it leads to. It's definitely for gray water for a sink. And that's what I'm going to plug my sink into, because I do not have a septic or anything like that because it's been winter. They can't obviously dig in the winter. Ground is frozen. So I tried putting an air tag down it. I bought a camera to put down the pipe. The camera was 200 feet long. So yeah, the camera didn't reach the end of the pipe. So that means it's over 200 feet long. Where does this lead?
I don't know.
Right. You guys had some great suggestions. Thank you. But one of them was the most fun option, in my opinion. Yeah, so I bought a smoke machine. Smoke machines are pretty cheap. I'm going to put together this smoke machine and we're getting back in the hole. Lady of the Woods is here. I told her to bring Hunter because Hunter would definitely go through the dog door. Come on, Hunter! Good boy! Yeah! This is ready.
Are you doing it?
Yeah, nothing happened?
Nothing in the yard. Okay. So what I'm thinking, out by the big rock by your security sign,
Yeah.
it's somewhere out here.
This is so awful. Had to have been buried. Plows, dirt. I mean, that pipe hasn't been used in 10 plus years? Yeah, I have no idea where the hell this thing is.
Uh-huh.
Well, that's stupid. I can't believe that didn't work.
All right, come on over.
Oh, man. My biggest concern now is when I use this, it's not going to be very great if it's clogged. But hey, one way to find out, I guess. Anyways, moving on. As you guys know, I am very intentional when it comes to Nova about her health. I want to make sure she gets the best training, the best food, the best of everything, which, yes, can be hard to do, but the Pets Table makes it super easy. The Pets Table is not just grabbing some random food. It is tailored for pets. You have fresh, and then for me, the gently air-dried option just makes my life easier. But if you're into the fresh dog food, they also have that. Once you start looking into what is in the kibble at the big box stores, I've stayed away from that for years with Sky and now Nova. Quality is very important, and kibble can be very heavily processed. It helps with gut health, vision health, skin and coat health, and the recipes are also developed with vet nutritionists. I love that this brand is from the team of HelloFresh. It's made in the US, no added fillers, and if your dog is a picky eater, just like Nova, rest easy. When you go ahead and get the 2-week trial box, you get 100% money back guaranteed if your dog is not satisfied. If you want to help your dog live the absolute best life, make sure to head to the link down below, and using my link, that'll get you 55% off your first box and then 10% off the next 2. Scan the QR code on the screen, click the link down below, make sure to use my code Becca55. That's thepetstable.com. That is code Becca55. I'm gonna go ahead and feed Nova some dinner now. Let's get back to doing some work on the channel. Thank you so much to the Pets Table for sponsoring today's episode. Do you want some more? I know, was that a bad scoop? As many of you guys know, I have a well. Amazing. I've never done a water test. I just hasn't been on the priority list until now. So I got a water kit to test what's in my well water. This one is a bacteria test. This will definitely take the longest. So we're gonna do this one first. So we got like this fancy stuff in here. Now we're gonna fill it with water. This one will take the longest, okay? 48 hours. Okay, mix. Test 1. Now let's go to another test. That's crazy. Okay, here we go. Well, now I just hold it up. Okay. My pH is 6. My hardness is 100. My hydrogen sulfide is 0. My iron is 0. Chlorine, 0. Other nitrate, 0. Sulfate, 800. My zinc, 0. My fluoride, 0. My sodium, 0. And my total alkalinity, I don't know, 0. So the only one I have no is sulfate. I would say my sulfate is like, yeah, my sulfate's probably 800. Folks, I think I have like perfect water. I'm gonna bring this bacteria test inside. That will determine just how great my water is, but I'm gonna do some research, but I'm pretty sure everything says it's in the perfect, like, okay levels. Perfect and okay are different though, so this test is confusing. Bring this bad boy inside. Tomorrow, I'm gonna come in, clean, make sure everything's perfect for the boys to come in and install the countertop. And that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Outlet covers came in. I went with antique brass and they look stunning. And it's time to finally put them on. If you've been keeping up with the saga of all the stuff I've been posting on short form content of outlet covers, what a doozy it has been. But these are my second option and I love them. One outlet cover done out of a million. Hey! What are you eating? Oh, Nova! Stop eating that. It's the next day. I just got a call. They're 20 minutes out from delivering the countertop. Woo! Let that sink in and let this door sink in. I'm obsessed with her. Show everybody what you can do. Come on. Yeah, puppies. Good girl. I'm telling you, she understands this doggy door so well now. You can go. A little slow, but I like it. Okay, well, now that the countertop is like here, basically, this is the sample that I have of the countertop. This is called Decton. I have gone a complete polar opposite route, let's just say that. Decton. If you care, this is how it's spelt. I got the ENSO 22. If you don't know anything about this material, neither did I. I didn't even know what it was. I just walked into every store. If I didn't see anything that I liked, I left. I wasn't looking at names, prices, anything, and then I saw this and I put my backsplash up to it and I fell in love. So that was the entire thought process of buying this. Many, many stores later, it was the only one I fell in love with automatically, and it looked good with my backsplash. So just 10x the size of this, and it's going to be here. This is my dill. This is my basil. Doing very, very well, and I'm so happy. My parsley, only 2 have sprouted over there. You can probably barely see them, but they're there, I promise. Just slow and steady. And I saw the comments. I'm covering it with that. You guys told me to like enclose it in the comments. My issue, not that I don't trust your opinions, I obviously do, but my dill and basil are doing so well, I don't really want to cover them. So I'm just covering the parsley. So yeah, but thank you for all the comments and suggestions. My herb garden's doing well. That's my countertop. Oh my god. I see it. Nova, who is it? Who is at the property? These boys are so nice. I love when nice people come to the cabin. God, that thing is so nice.
Here we go. Yep. The sink takes like 12 to 24 hours of dry time too, just to give you a heads up.
Okay.
But you can plumb that like anytime tomorrow.
Okay, perfect. It is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Are we joking? This is some of the nicest material I've ever seen in my life. Holy crap. This is real life. It's so beautiful. As much as I want to do so much to it, I can't. I have to let the adhesive do its thing for a little while. They said tomorrow should be fine to start doing anything to it. This is, yeah, way different from the walnut. I don't think I like it. The difference of when I put the walnut up and I saw everything to the difference of how I feel right now. I know I made the right decision. I don't care what anybody says. I am so freaking happy. There's so much character to this as well. All the grains, there's browns, there's grays. Like, wow. Holy crap. Good morning from Nova and I. Yes, I'm still wearing my same Newfoundland plaid thing from yesterday. I give her a bone. Well, I would like to see some water running today from this sink, okay? The guy said I should be good today to get going and the adhesive should be dried. Yeah. Are we gonna have a sink? Are we gonna have running water? I also did some research on the water test that I did. I'm gonna have a professional come out and test the water, but having high sulfate, pretty much the only thing that it seems like I can finagle and get away with is probably a reverse osmosis system. Sulfate is pretty bad for your pipes. Sulfate, 800. I can technically drink the water and be fine, but long term, it can give you the runs. There's no cute way to say that. Could be worse. Could be better, obviously, but... Okay, this is my cold. This is my hot. I don't need to plug in my cold right now. Hot water is not working right now, but we'll plug her in. Is it leaking? Not a single leak! Oh my god! We have running water at the cabin. There we go. Super dramatic. I think that's in there pretty good. That looks pretty fantastic to me. Now, here's the part where I'm unsure if I'm going to be able to do this solo today. Debatable. When Frank did my plumbing, he changed some sort of fitting to make the pipe 2 inch to 1.5 inch.
Well, it's not going to work like that, is it?
So when I went to the store today, all I bought was 2-inch. It is 1.5, not 2. Write that down. I just can't believe I have running water at the cabin right now. My favorite part about this sink and why I got it, nice, big, and deep, of course, but it came with accessories. Accessory number 1. So freaking sick. Accessory number 2. And then my favorite is accessory number 3, a drying rack. And they don't all fit in here at the same time, which is a unique design choice. So I can cut some vegetables, and then I can put the vegetables or fruit in here and rinse them. And then my drying rack is a part of my sink, and I can dry my dishes over here. Kinda bougie. This sink is sick. Well, I'm gonna run to the hardware store, which, shocker to nobody, pretty far away. So I will have to do this another day this week. For the first time ever, to my knowledge, when I got this place, there was a hand pump and there wasn't actual running water, and there wasn't the plumbing for it either. So I don't think there's ever been this sort of plumbing at this place before, and it's not just any plumbing. It is nice plumbing. This is all super nice stuff. I feel so happy with my decision. I don't know. I feel very speechless right now. I'm so happy with it. Wow. This place is coming together pretty nice.